Okay, so we were upgrading from this to that. Kom! Här! Ge mig den! Så, kom! Whee! Bra jobbat! Duktig! I wonder if I can film it from the side. I'm gonna try. So maybe I can get her to kind of run on there and then jump, and I can sort of film it from the side. We'll see. Come! Här! Ge mig den! Bra! Nej! Upp där! Bra! Fortsätt! Bra! Kör! Hopp! Kör! Nej! It's very important not to let them go back, because then they learn the wrong habit. So just like when I started from the very low height, I just kind of let her decide for herself when she wants to jump. Bra! Gå och hämta den! Bra! Gå och hämta den! Bra! So that took some contemplation. Very well done.